Okay, first import the library of HTTP. Look at this. You can through the command line or directly add the dependency in pub/spec.yml file. Okay, after importing this library, you can I show the API. I use the API for the photos JSON placeholder. Look at this. Okay, and after the add the API, after the create the response model. Okay, so all the field you can necessary in the model. Okay, and I use the init method, get album data, call the API and add the page start and page end. Page start with the 0 index and page end with the 10 index. Okay, look at this. And API response add in the album list. Okay, album variable. Okay, and I use the list view separator, and I use the basic design for the show the API response in I use only for the titles. Okay, and main important part is scroll controller. I define the scroll controller in top and add the in scroll controller. Okay, and instead add the listener for the listen to the scroll controller. Okay, in the scroll controller offset is the current position of the scroll, and scroll position max extend is trigger the pagination by the update the page start or end parameter in fetching mode. Okay, I every time you can scroll controller in bottom of the call the this method. Okay, and if again API call to add the list of first time I increment in the page 1 to end page and add the one more, means ke 1 to 10, next time 11 to 20. Okay, I show them in emulator. Look at this, the list of album, and bottom of the circular progress indicator in the album list last index assign. Okay, and if last index you call this API again. Look at this method check the current position of scroll and max scroll extent. Okay, it's equal or greater than, so one by one every time you can scroll you can call the APIs. Okay, that's it. Thank you.